The metal selected for the manufacture of TIG electrodes is the same metal used to make the filament in incandescent light bulbs, namely tungsten. Tungsten has a melting temperature of around 3,400 degrees centigrade, which is the highest of all metals. Modern TIG electrodes are obtainable in different grades and sizes. There are two grades of electrodes commonly available, namely thorium alloy tungsten and zirconium alloy tungsten. Electrodes alloyed with thorium are color-coded red for identification purposes. Thoriated electrodes are fitted when using DC welding current. Electrodes alloyed with zirconium are color-coded white and are selected when using AC welding current. The size of an electrode is determined by its diameter. Various sizes are produced, ranging from 0.5 mm up to 6.35 mm. The length of a standard electrode is 150 mm. If the torch is to be used in restricted spaces, then a short electrode and a short back cap may be fitted. It must be noted that the sizes of electrodes, collet bodies and collets must match. You will find the sizes stamped on the components. Electrode sizes are given on the packaging. If, for whatever reason, you are not sure about the size of an electrode, then simply measure its diameter. The most usual type of shielding gas used with TIG processes is argon. Argon is normally supplied in light blue gas cylinders. When full, a standard cylinder contains approximately 10.5 cubic meters of argon. The pressure within the cylinder is approximately 172 bars. The working pressure delivered to the torch nozzle is approximately 2 bars. The working pressure is controlled by a pressure regulator fitted to the delivery valve on top of the gas cylinder. Most regulators also incorporate a flow meter as well. We shall return to this device shortly. A hand wheel is used to open the delivery valve and allow gas to flow through the regulator. The pressure gauge, situated on the regulator body, indicates cylinder pressure. During welding operations, we need to control the volume or rate of gas being delivered to the torch. The flow control device, or flow meter, achieves this. The sight glass on the flow meter provides visual indication of the flow rate. The flow rate is adjusted or set using the adjusting valve beneath the sight glass. Gas flow rate, stated in liters per minute, is measured by noting the floating height at the top of a ball inside the sight glass. On a simple system, the shielding gas flows directly to the TIG torch by way of the gas line. Gas flow is controlled simply by opening or closing the torch valve. When the gas flow is controlled by the welding machine, then the gas line from the cylinder is connected to an inlet connection within the machine. The gas supply to the torch is connected to the machine's outlet connection. The torch connection to the gas supply on some machines is made using a handy quick coupling, similar to an airline coupling. Shielding gas cylinders are normally mounted directly behind the power source. The cylinder must be secured with a chain or other device to prevent it from toppling over.